Hey guys, welcome to EURUSD. I'm gonna go over EURUSD real quick. So far, everything we mentioned yesterday is occurring. So I mentioned that I'd love to see a failed breakdown of this low in my last video. What that would mean is I want to see price undercut it and then go back up. Now it was very low volatility and took a long time to work out, but you can see that we undercut this low around midnight last night, and then we kind of lingered below it, pushed through at 2 a.m., sold back down, never lost this low, so the trade was never invalidated. We got a nice pop around 3 a.m. for the trade that would have worked already. Obviously, I was sleeping. And then we just kind of consolidated slowly up. One can also see this is kind of like a flag right here, just flagging at below this resistance. So that's why I mentioned if we didn't sell, then this reclaim would be a great trade, and that worked out well too. You can see the multiple tags to weaken the resistance. We hit it one more time at 6:30 and pulled back. When I woke up, I was looking at this, noticed that. I noticed the active failed breakdown here. So I was looking at a bullish setup for sure. So when we pushed through right here, I was ready to go long. I hit the long when we went through and above it at 8:30. We got some volatility. That worked out level to level. I took most of my profit up here. We went back down, sold below, and offered a second entry for those who might have missed it. This is a classic reclaim of a level. Both ways you push through. Actually made it exactly to this level and sold down. So that was a successful trade. If you missed it, or if you were very bullish like I was, you could have entered a little more back on your position after making your profits up here with this clear accumulation below that level and then taking off again. From there, we pushed right up through the levels, went right through these levels, hit my back test level, and sold about from 1495 all the way so far down to 1432, so almost 60 points. Why did we hit this level? A lot of times we hit it exact. In this case, we didn't. Maybe my charting was off. Maybe we just overextended it to trap some longs. But let's go back into a bigger time frame and figure out why that was a back test level for me. So I want to show you kind of understanding what I'm looking for and how that I get my levels in certain ways. So you can see clearly this level was a strong support with one tag. Well, we tagged it, pulled back, and then pushed through. So awesome reclaim of a level. Then we came back and tested it for a long once, twice, potentially 3 times before losing it, and then back testing it before the actual sell that took us down a ways through the level. So like, to me, if we were to get back up here, I was looking for a back test of this level, this area, that would produce a good short. Would I take this short? No, but I just like to make sure my levels are accurate, that my mindset is accurate. So with that said, going back to a 15-minute and today's chart, one can clearly see here that we tagged it and we sold. That just lets me know things are going the way that I anticipated. The pricing is right and my mentality is right. Right now, if I go to a 5-minute chart on Euro USD, you can see we pretty much nearly tagged this level twice, and now potentially trying to set up a failed breakdown, but that'll be more on a 5-minute chart. Not my best setup, but I have entered a little small position here just because we are retesting this strong resistance turn support. So I was hoping to get a decent bounce here. If that doesn't work out, I'm okay with it. I don't have much risk and I don't have much of a stop loss below, only about 6-7 points below the entry. I had an entry right here at this 37 level. It's about 3 points above this low that was set. If we don't get those, I would love to get a failed breakdown of this low. I could see price tag. Let's see. So let's say this does work out, but if it doesn't for some reason, or even gets up here then sells, I would love to see price tag this level directly here, or a little bit even lower, tag this, and then recover, because we have a nice low right here and a plethora of lows here. So I would love to use this whole area as a place of volatility grab. before going back up. So that's what I'm looking at here at Euro USD. This is currently working out decent. Right now I'm up about 6-7 points. I want to get up to about 46, 45 before I take the profit, just because I'm looking for at least 8 points. But I'm being also open-minded that this could rip back up. Going to ES real quick while I have you guys. Let's see what's going on over there. It's been very low volatility until this morning. You can see this shelf right here has a bunch of lows. We dipped and recovered it last night. You can see if there's a couple lows here and one right here. We went below. We never lost it. We consolidated near that level before breaking out. Excuse me. At 3 o'clock, similar to the Euro USD timing, we came back. We hit another failed breakdown. We dipped below these lows just by a nick, and it ended up working out great. One more time, we came back below. We recovered all these lows and recovered this level, and this was a great long right here off of this 59.75 reclaim. That's currently still working. Right now we're accepting 600. You can see the tag here, multiple tags here, a nice another push and sell. If we can get above 6,000 right now, that could be a potential long. Although price always likes to go in a different direction than what you think, so just be patient and wait for acceptance. If we don't lose this low, we start pushing back up, one could possibly keep a stop loss below here and a long around 603. So let's see what happens rest of the day.